Hey, I couldn't find this information anywhere on the internet, but ChatGPT helped me with that, so I figured I'd just make a video on it so that you don't have to find it or you don't have ChatGPT on how to shorten and access deeply nested JSON or dictionaries. So this is it, where a dictionary is so deep and you have to kind of type this dot or bracket, whatever, to access this every single time. The best way is to create a deeply nested element and set that to the nested dictionary, set that right there, and then you can access the rest of that with just the key right there. Apparently, I guess I didn't come across this somewhere, and I was looking all over on how to set this up. But I guess this is a standard for. I guess when you're a newbie, uh, it might not be obvious to some people, but this is really helpful that that's there. Now, also for objects, if you have a deeply nested object where this is accessing this object, this accessing that object, well, you can do the same thing here with next object. Here, you kind of set the instance of it, and you access level 2, which is the set right there, and then the other level 3, which is set to right there, and then you can then access the dot key method with this deeply nested object, and then you can access that way from down here. Okay, all right, so that's how you do it, and it took me a while to find this on the internet. You can't find this on the internet actually anywhere except for asking ChatGPT to do this, and I haven't really tested it, so make sure that you tested it, make sure it works for you, and if it does, great, and hopefully this will help you find the answer and solution to your problems. Thanks.